welcome to the broadcast. Today it's the Todd and Orville Road Show. My sweet wife took me this morning to help me get my tractor moved. It was just about a mile and a half from the next job that it had planned, and it just worked out well today for us to get this little job lined up yesterday evening, because we haven't gotten the call for the culvert pipe to be delivered to that job where we're cutting out that space in the hillside for the campers parking pad. So instead of just sitting around and waiting on that phone call to come in, we're going to go knock out this little job. It's just a quick little banger type job. We'll be we've already gotten loaded, and we've just got to go up, and it's a gravel road. It's got some potholes formed in it, and that's just obviously from low spots that have developed and started to hold water. And as always, that water sitting in those low spots gives it time to soak in and soften that ground, and as soon as somebody drives through it, it just, the way the car and the shape of the tire just squishes the road material out. And this is really down to mud at this point, so there's no hard bottom of the pothole to break up. Now, in my opinion, when it's just mud, working it and breaking it up really doesn't do a whole lot of good as far as making the repair last longer. So we're just going to fill the holes up and spread the material with the tractor, and then as I come and go with the truck, it's going to pack that material in. We priced the job for just fixing the potholes and the mud holes, but I also quoted it for doing the whole road, because when it's a flat road like this, it's kind of tough to fix one spot, because you have to build the road up a little bit so that it packs down flush over time. And what'll happen, as long as that's humped up, when it rains, it just essentially moves that spot on the road to where it's holding water. So I'll make a little cutout at the head and tail of the repair, but it's always best just to go ahead and, if the whole road needs it, just repair the whole thing. You know, it's where we're working is an Airbnb, so you know, staying on budget is important for their bottom line month to month. So we're going to do the best repair we can and keep it on budget and still do a good job. So let's get on up here and fix some potholes. Pothole number one. I think what I'll do is just pull ahead of it and try to back spread, and that way as it spreads into that hole, it'll force this standing water out of it. Alright, my mistake number one was I should have been carrying a little more speed once I got going, and my chains were a little too open, so it came out a little bit quicker than I expected. I thought that material would be more damp than that, but it wasn't. It's pretty dry. So I just dumped part of the load out there. We're going to go on up to the next hole and just go ahead and dump it in a pile in front of that pothole as well. And then we'll just use the tractor to push this stuff in and make it easy on ourselves. Okay, real quick. So the whole reason that I'm using the loader on the tractor, and obviously I'm struggling a little bit with it. I'm just a lot more used to using my box blade, but the tractor was already on a job about 1.5 miles from here. So instead of going to the trouble to load the tractor up, take it to the yard, swap implements, and haul it up here, I decided just to go ahead and use the loader, which I'm a lot less experienced with. As far as this type of work. So probably won't be seeing me using the loader to grade much in the future. Alright, we got those 2 holes filled in. We'll bring another load and cap that one off. Now we'll work on getting this little mud hole fixed up. It stretches from right here all the way up. Pretty easy to get fixed. enough. There is enough material on this road, but it is not enough to raise that roadbed up to where water's going to shed off and not pull in that one spot. So we're just going to go ahead and run back to the quarry, get another full 8.5 tons, and we'll fill this low area, and then we'll go ahead and top out those other two a little bit more too, just to give the customer their money's worth on this one. So let's head back to the quarry. Right, that will do. We went over it one time, put a light coat down, and then packed it in, went and got another load, and topped it again, got it smoothed out, and then the very last step that I did was to go down the edges with the bucket pressing down to knock that high edge down, so water will be able to get off of this road, and hopefully those potholes won't come back anytime soon. So thanks for joining me on this video again, guys. Drop me a comment, let me know how I could have done this video better as always, or tell me what you liked about it and I'll do more of it. You guys, if you like the channel and you're new to it, subscribe. It'd humble me greatly. And other than that, we'll see you guys tomorrow on the we'll be going back to the project where we're cutting that pad in for that camper. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and have a great day.